All right, so we're gonna grab this EVINRUDE neck. I'm gonna throw it on the stand for you right now. Well, let's take a look at this motor. This is a 1995 EVINRUDE 48. It's a E48 ESLEOS. Okay, let's do a quick walk around. These motors are pretty good. This came with a 20-inch lower unit, manual tilt, electric start. The swivel bracket, it was pretty clean on this unit. These are great motors. They're cheap and reliable as long as you have good compression, you keep your oil pre-mixed. Now let's take off this cowl hood and let's see what's inside. From what I'm seeing right now, not too bad. I don't see too bad of corrosion. Engine looks fairly clean. Let's take a closer look. This thing came with 2 cylinders. You know that single ignition coil there that does 2 cylinders. Okay. This have less electronics. Dual carburetors. On port side, you just have that starter solenoid, the fuel pump, the starter, your air box. This thing is like real simple. Let's start it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.